Now, equation of plane passing through 3 points. Vector form. Let a plane passing through 3 points A, B, C with position vector A vector, B vector, C vector means OA vector is equal A vector, OB vector is equal B vector, and OC vector is equal to C vector, where O is fixed point, that is O is origin. Let R vector be the position vector of any arbitrary point lie on the plane. Point P lie on the plane, that is, we can say AP vector comma AB vector comma AC vector are coplanar. Since P lies on the plane, then AP vector, AB vector, AC vector are coplanar. AP vector is then by the, if these vectors are coplanar, then scalar triple product of these vector means AP vector, AB vector and AC vector is equal 0. That is AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal 0, and AP vector is given by OP minus OA. AB vector is OB minus OA, and AC vector is OC minus OA. Put this value in this term, we get AP vector. OP vector means position vector of P vector with respect to O, means R vector minus A vector dot R vector, sorry, B minus A means B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector, and it is vector equation of a plane passing through 3 points whose position vectors are A vector, B vector, C vector. Now change it in Cartesian form. Let the coordinate of point A, B, C are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Then AP vector is OP minus OA, means P is any arbitrary point. Let OP vector means coordinate of P are x, y, z. Then OP vector is xi plus yj cap plus zk cap, and OA vector is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. OB are x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. Means A is x1 y1 z1, then its position vector. OA vector is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Similarly, OB vector is position vector of B with respect to O is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, and OC vector is x3 I cap plus y3 j cap plus z3 k cap. Put this value in this term, we get AP vector is x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap z minus z1 k cap. AB vector is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. And AC vector is x3 minus x1 I cap y3 minus y1 j cap and z3 minus z1 k cap. Mean AP vector is equal OP minus OA, AB vector is OB minus OA, and AC vector is OC minus OA. Now put this value in this term, we get AP vector dot AB cross AC, and AP vector dot AB cross AC is a determinant of third order. Scalar triple product in component of vectors is a determinant of third order. Means AP vector, it can be written as x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. AB vector is x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, and AC vector is x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1, and it is the Cartesian equation of a plane passing through 3 points x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3.